Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today is going to be an awesome unboxing today. So this is the G-Wolf Skoll. So the color I got, hold up, bear with me, is the black and gray one. So this is going to be really interesting. This is how the packaging looks. There's some more information right here as well. The packaging, I really love how it looks. Like the color, I like the concept of it. So let's open it up. Oh wow. I love this. Oh, this is beautiful. I wish I would have this as my lunchbox when I was a kid. I really wish. This thing looks awesome. Wow. Kind of look like a little PUBG theme right there. Wow. Spoiler, I saw a few unboxings of this mouse already, but man, when you get it in your own hands, it really shows you that this company really cares about quality. Wow. This looks freaking beautiful. Wow. Drums. Whoa. Woohoo. Sorry, I'm too excited. This thing looks too beautiful. Letter to the player, thank you for choosing our product and service. GMMK, we hope that we can bring you relaxed and enjoyable shopping experience. Oh, okay. More comfort, please read more instructions before you use it. I like this. I like this. Wow. This looks beautiful. Oh my god. I'm liking this so far. I'm really liking this. Woo. And it comes with extra mouse feet. Wow. Alright. The moment of truth. Oh. Hello. And it comes with a power cord. Look at this. Oh, hello, baby. Oh. Oh. Wow. Ooh, nice mouse feet. 2 buttons. Ooh. Damn, yo. This mouse makes the EC2, the EC series from Zowie, look like crap, man. I'm sorry to say that. Oh my god. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So you see, it is gray at the top, and then when the Lord gets black, side buttons are really good. Oh my god, the scroll wheel is way much better than the EC from Zowie. Ooh, the middle click sounds really responsive as well. Left click, right click sounds really good. And the best part is it uses a 3360 sensor. Interesting. Oh, okay, let's put it right here. Let's put it right here. Let's see what else it comes in the packaging. What? It comes with another paracord? Yes, I'm excited. I know, but what? This is awesome. I like this. I like this a lot. It comes with an extra. What the? Yes, I know I'm excited. Bear with me, but you know I'm happy when a mouse company brings mouse feet. But I'm not trying to curse over here. F&L. It comes with extra mouse feet, and it comes with another cable. Oh, give me 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. Let's plug this puppy in. So let's wait for a second and let's plug it in. Okay, so I already plugged in the mouse into my computer already, and I'm going to have to say this. I like how the RGB looks in this mouse. I don't like it like in the right here. Like I don't like it at the top, but I really like this RGB at the bottom right there. It is perfectly beautiful. but the only way we can really say this, how good are the colors are when white and all that stuff, which I'm gonna test that out. But I am really excited to have this mouse. And pretty much I've been using the Zowie S1 not that long ago. I got it yesterday, but honestly, really, I'm excited for this one. This one fits my hands perfectly well and extremely light. And also, I'm gonna download the software and have that ready to go. As always, ladies and gentlemen, have a good day. Enjoy your Wednesday. Remember, kids, don't do drugs. This is time to game. So, I already plugged in the mouse in my computer already. And this is how beautiful the RGB looks. I kind of like this. You know, I really do like the RPG.